Hey beautiful people, welcome back. It's your girl Tovia, back again with another interesting weight gain video. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, come on now, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, and please share the video within your friends. And trust me, you're gonna find this video helpful today. I know it's been a while since I last made a weight gain video. That's because, trust me, it's been a very busy life for me, because you guys have been ordering and I'm so excited. I just want to say thank you to every one of you that have patronized my weight gain business, that has used my weight gain products, my butt and hips enlargement products, my weight loss products, and yeah, everything is just so amazing. Like, I never thought that this weight gain products would turn a business for me today. For anyone that might be seeing my face for the first time and don't know what product I'm talking about, I'm just gonna show it to you. So these are the products I am talking about. I don't know if my brightness is doing it, but this is our weight gain syrup, and this is our butt and hip enlargement syrup. I have other products, but I do not have them here, so I just want to get it. That's why I'm breathing a bit heavily. But anyway, so these are the products that has been doing amazingly for a lot of you, and I see all your feedbacks, I see all your reviews, and I'm so grateful for everything you guys are doing for me. So I will just give you guys a quick brief before I jump into the video fully. So this is our weight gain syrup, a very effective weight gain syrup. This is made with herbs, and you guys know that herbs are very effective products for anything you want to do. If you go back to the olden days, our forefathers, they used to use herbs to just live a good healthy lifestyle, and yeah, this is all formulated by herbal products. This is what the weight gain is made from. So this weight gain product is very effective if you're struggling to gain weight, if you're struggling with your appetite, and if you're struggling with your metabolism. This is for you. This is what I used to go from being 46 kilos to being 66 kilos, and this is what a lot of you have been using. I see all your reviews, I see all your feedbacks, and I see all your returning customers. So thank you. So for anyone that is struggling to gain weight and you are yet to try our weight gain products, please go on www.shippedbytovia.com to get it right now. And for anyone struggling to increase their backside, like your butt, this is for you. So if you want to increase your backside, if you want to increase your butt, if you want to have the bigger hips and bigger sizes, this is the one for you. This is very effective. Trust me when I say it is effective. It is very effective. The herbs that are here, there are lots of herbs that have been used to formulate this product, this herbal product, to actually works for your backside, for your hips. So if that is your target, you just want to increase your butt, please go for this. There are other products. We also have the butt oil, we also have the butt scrub, so you can get all of that together to get an amazing result. And of course, I forgot to mention, we have the weight gain protein powder as well. If you're the type that doesn't like syrup, you can always go for the weight gain protein powder. And you hear it here first, I am actually working on weight gain gummies. Yes, you're not ready, so we are working on our weight gain gummies, and once that is out, you will love the weight gain gummies. You will love it. Trust me, you will love it. Anyways, the main purpose of this video today, so after my birthday, I had my birthday in April, and after my birthday I actually fell ill. That's because I was very stressed during that period. So I fell ill and I didn't eat for some days. I didn't do a lot of things for some days. So, and obviously if you don't eat, you will lose weight. And because I was sick, I was ill for some time, so I actually couldn't eat, couldn't do anything and stuff like that. So I lost some weight, okay, which is normal for you to lose weight if you don't eat and if you get ill. So I lost some weight, and I know it's very easy for me to gain back my weight. In a week I can actually gain it back because I have Shipped by Tovia with me. In a week I can actually gain back any weight I lost. I think I lost about maybe 2 kilos or so. So I wanted to do something for you guys. I could have easily just get the weight myself in a week, 2 weeks and stuff like that, but I want to do something, okay? So I am going to start 1 week weight gain challenge. Yeah, a 1 week weight gain challenge. So what I'm going to be doing from the next day that you're going to see the next video, which is going to be from tomorrow, I'm going to be posting a video every single day for this 1 week, which is 7 days. For 7 days, I'm going to be posting a video every day, and these videos are going to be a day in my life of gaining weight. So what I'm going to be showing to you guys is what I'm going to be eating for breakfast to gain weight, for lunch to gain weight, and for dinner to gain weight. So, and other snacks I am going to be having in between to gain weight. So if you really want to gain weight and then you need help, just follow me along this journey. Everything I'm going to be eating, you can go ahead and buy them and eat them and cook them and eat them as well, and they will all make you gain weight. So I'm going to be doing this 1 week weight gain challenge just to show you guys how much you can actually gain in a week of gaining weight just from your own, without going to the gym, just from your own, how much you can actually gain. I actually like myself weighing 65 because when I was 66 I was very fat, and I'm dating a man that doesn't like chubby girls. I like the slim thick, so I had to then lose some weight to go for his taste, and I was happy with it. So don't be like, oh, he's influencing me. I was happy with it as well. But anyways, so I'm gonna do this 1 week challenge. It's gonna start from tomorrow. I'm gonna be posting every day, so make sure you guys are here to watch the video every single day. Okay, every single day. Make sure you're here to watch the videos of everything I'm gonna be eating. It's gonna be different fruits every day, different snacks every day, different meals every day for gaining weight. Just note, I'm going to be using my weight gain syrup along as well. Yes, I'm going to be using Yeeee by Tovia weight gain syrup. I know that I can actually do it without my weight gain syrup. I just need to eat more. Okay, eat more calories to be able to just gain weight without using a weight gain product. But if I use this weight gain product, trust me, I can actually gain so fast. Like, I can gain so fast, and that's why I'm going to be using it along with my journey. So if you don't yet have this weight gain syrup, you can go order it from our website at www.shippedbytovia.com. That is where you can get our weight gain syrup or our button helps enlargement syrup. You can still join me with this weight gain challenge without having this supplement and immediately just eat other things I'm going to be eating, and you'll be able to gain weight very fast. So we're starting this weight gain journey from tomorrow. Again, make sure that you're here with me to join in this challenge. Tomorrow I'm gonna weigh myself. I don't know how much I weigh yet, but I know that I lose weight because I was ill. So I'm gonna weigh myself tomorrow morning. I'm starting, and then I will also show you guys how much I weigh, what I'm gonna be eating, and just everything. So I would like you guys to join me in this challenge. Make sure that you watch the video, so because there's gonna be a day in my life of gaining weight. It's gonna be day 1, day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 days of me gaining weight. So for all my weight gain people, for everyone that is ready to gain weight, and now come on here, you guys have to join me this weekend journey, and let us do it all together. I can't wait to have you guys with me. So that's what I wanted to share on this video, and I hope you do enjoy the video, and I hope you're gonna be there with me throughout this weight gain challenge. Please make sure that you subscribe, like my video, share my video, and do leave a comment. I cannot wait to have you all, and please go follow my Instagram page as well. I really appreciate it. Thank you all. I love every one of you. Bye.